Spring Test 3. Listen carefully to the instructions I am going to give you. When I have finished reading them, your teacher will stop the recording and answer any questions. You will not be able to ask any questions once the test has begun. I am going to ask you 10 questions. On your sheet, there is an answer box for each question. Work out the answer to the question in your head and write the answer in the answer box. For some of the questions, there is information in the answer box to help you. I will read each question twice. Listen carefully both times. You will then have time to work out an answer. If you cannot work out an answer, put a cross in the answer box. If you make a mistake, cross out the wrong answer and write the correct one next to it. There are some easy and some harder questions, so do not be put off if you cannot answer a question. Your teacher will now stop the recording and answer any questions. Now we are ready to start the test. You have 10 seconds to work out each answer and write it down. Question 1. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the digit 9. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the digit 9. Question 2. Write the sign that means equals. Write the sign that means equals. Question 3. Look at your answer sheet. Draw a piece of string shorter than the one shown there. Look at your answer sheet. Draw a piece of string shorter than the one shown there. Question 4. Look at your answer sheet. The sweets have been put into groups of 2. How many groups of 2 are there? Look at your answer sheet. The sweets have been put into groups of 2. How many groups of 2 are there? Question 5. What is 3 add 5? What is 3 add 5? Question 6. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the person who is third in the line. Look at your answer sheet. Circle the person who is third in the line. Question 7. What is 16 add 3? What is 16 add 3? Question 8. Look at your answer sheet. Draw a cross inside the square. Look at your answer sheet. Draw a cross inside the square. Question 9. What is 15 take away 10? What is 15 take away 10? Question 10. Look at your answer sheet. How many bananas are there? Look at your answer sheet. How many bananas are there? Now put down your pen or pencil. The test is finished.
Hi P2, I hope you got on okay with that little test. So we're going to go through the answers together, so make sure that you've got your crayon or your colouring pencil so that you can mark, boys and girls. Okay, number 1, it wanted you to circle the number 9, the digit 9. Which one of these is number 9? It is. Well done. Number 2, you had to draw the sign that shows equals. So how do we draw an equal sign? Yeah. And equals is just another way of saying the same as. It's equal. Number 3, you had to draw a piece of string that was shorter than this one. Okay, so as long as it's shorter than this one, then you can give yourself a tick. Number 4, as you can see, the sweets have been put into groups of 2. So look, there's a group of 2 here together. They're like twins. Another group of 2 and another group of 2. How many groups of 2 are there? So how many groups have we got? There's 1 group, 2 group and 3 groups. So if you've got the answer 3, give yourself a big tick. Okay, number 5. What is 3 add 5? So 3 and count on 5 more times. So 3 is in your head, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you've got the answer 8, give yourself a big tick. Well done. Number 6, circle the person who is third in the line. So who's third? This is the first person, second person, and the third person's here. So put a big circle around him. Well done. Okay, number 7. Again, slightly trickier because we're using bigger numbers, but hopefully you were able to have a wee go. 16 add 3. So put the number 16, pop it in your head, boys and girls, and we're going to count on 3 more. So 16's in your head, and then we're going to move forwards. 17, 18, 19. So if you've got 19, give yourself a big tick. Number 8. Look at your answer sheet and draw a cross inside the square. So the really important word there is inside. So make sure that the cross is inside the square. Number 9. What is 15 take away 10? Okay, so you can do this in your head, or you might want to visualize your number grid in your head. So what would be the number that sits on top of 15 on the number grid? Yeah, 5 sits on top, doesn't it? Or else you could put 15 in your head and count back 10 times. So 15's in your head, then you've got 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Super. That was a tricky enough one, wasn't it? Okay, and number 10, look at your answer sheet and count all of the bananas. Will we see how many there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you got 7, give yourself a big tick. And don't forget, boys and girls, to count up all of your ticks and to colour in your score. and I think you deserve a big thumbs up and give yourself a nice pat on the back. Some of those were really tricky, so well done.